Welcome to Pejaroya Travel YouTube channel. We will bring you an unprecedented experience in this video, so stay with this video until the end. If you think the video is good, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.
High in the North Atlantic Ocean, nestled amongst the rugged Faroe Islands, lies a site that seems to defy logic. Lake Sørvágsvatn, also known as Lításvatn, appears to perch precariously above the roiling ocean, its waters seemingly held back from the precipice by a sheer cliff face. This illusion, from which the lake derives its nickname, the floating lake, has captivated travelers and photographers for decades. Fed by cascading waterfalls from the surrounding mountains, Lake Sørvágsvatn is the largest in the Faroe Islands, stretching for 6 kilometers across the island of Vágar. The lake's surface, often whipped into frothy whitecaps by the strong Atlantic winds, sits a mere 30 meters above sea level. Yet from certain vantage points it appears to hover hundreds of meters in the air, a serene oasis above the tumultuous ocean. The secret to Lake Sørvágsvatn's floating illusion lies in the unique perspective from which it is often photographed. The most iconic images of the lake are captured from a high vantage point on the surrounding cliffs, looking down at a specific angle. This perspective compresses the distance between the lake and the ocean beyond, making the cliff face separating them appear much steeper and higher than it truly is. In reality, the land between the lake and the ocean slopes gradually downwards. A waterfall at the southern end of the lake marks the point where its waters finally cascade over this incline and tumble into the sea below. Therefore, the lake is not truly floating but rather nestled within a dramatic landscape that plays tricks on the eye. Reaching Lake Sørvágsvatn is an adventure in itself, a chance to immerse oneself in the raw beauty of the Faroe Islands. The most popular route begins in the village of Midvagar and winds its way across rolling hills carpeted in vibrant green moss. The path, well-maintained yet rugged, offers breathtaking vistas of the surrounding islands, their dramatic cliffs plunging into the churning sea. As you approach the lake, its full majesty unfolds before you. The vast expanse of water reflecting the ever-changing colors of the sky is a sight to behold. Take time to absorb the tranquility of your surroundings, broken only by the cries of seabirds wheeling overhead and the gentle lapping of the water against the shore. The best time to visit Lake Sørvágsvatn is during the summer months, from June to August, when the weather is at its most stable. However, be prepared for unpredictable conditions, no matter when you choose to go, as the Faroe Islands are known for their fickle weather patterns. Pack layers of warm clothing, waterproof gear, and sturdy hiking boots. The hike to Lake Sørvágsvatn is moderately challenging, taking approximately 4 to 5 hours to complete. It is essential to bring plenty of water and snacks as there are no facilities along the trail. Be sure to respect the fragile environment by staying on marked paths and taking all your rubbish with you. The reward for your efforts is an unforgettable encounter with one of nature's most remarkable illusions.